So we want to add materials. So we're still going to stay in 3D modeling. And we're going to move from solid tab over to visualize. Now with visualize, you have multiple things that are the same, like coordinates, okay, and your visual styles. But now we have lights, sun location, materials, and rendering. So what I want you to know about this is that I want you to use the materials browser. So you should get materials to pop up. And oops. Okay, there they are. Okay, so in my Autodesk library, I have all of these different types. Now, I like to have mine on thumbnail because I can see a larger view of them. Here, okay. So it's giving me a thumbnail of what I am working with and a thumbnail of the different options. And they're also categorized. So if I select this button, it has all the different options. Now, be wise in what you choose to put on them. You can do it with your own picture as well. But here, I'm just going to pick a glass, all right, to place on this. Now, I have it on realistic. If I had it on conceptual and I placed a bright orange amber color onto my vase, nothing truly happens. So you have to stay in realistic or somewhere or one of the other views, okay? And then that material goes onto it. You can see it changes to a translucent finish. If you wanted something that was a little different, you could put bricks on it if you wanted. But I think for this project, translucent works pretty well. You'll do the same thing with the gems project, where you'll be adding a more translucent material. There are other ones like liquid, but this will give you some of them, depending on the scale, will give you some modeling that might not work for you. But it is liquid, so it might be just fine. Okay, some of them have some strange kind of names, but those are also going to be translucent. Just look and see what the different categories are before you place your object on place your material on the object. And that's basically all you have to do is drop and drag. Now, this is all one piece, and later on we'll find out that if you hold down certain keys, you can have different faces with different colors, but we'll wait to do that until later.